How to delete featured story from your Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to share you how we can delete our featured collection from our profile in Facebook. First, make sure to open your Facebook app and log into your account. Now from the home page, you can see your profile at the top. Tap on it to go to your profile. Now scroll a little to find your featured stories. Tap on the featured story that you want to delete. Once you've clicked on your collection, tap on the three dots located at the top right. A pop-up will open and there will be an option to delete featured collection. Tap on that option and confirm your choice. And voila, that is how you delete your featured story from Facebook. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and for more similar tech content, subscribe to our channel.